Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right away. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, go ahead and look for the person you'd like to unblock. You can go ahead and search for the people in the search box at the top of the screen, and in the search result, find the contact you'd like to block or unblock. For example, if you recently blocked someone on Poshmark, then you'll just need to go visit their profile, and once you're inside their profile, click on the three dots right at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see the unblock user option. Go ahead and click on unblock user so that you can unblock them on Poshmark. That's how you can easily unblock a blocked contact on Poshmark with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.